I think all of us would not want any type of fraudulent activity, and especially tremendous amounts of money or small amounts of money be taken out of the system.
Just seeing all the bad care really is what got me interested, and basically nobody's doing anything about it.
And in these cases, these 8 or 9 cases that you talked about, have they been reviewed by other docs, or was
Yes.
this just you in a laboratory
No.
unilaterally doing the mad scientist thing?
No, I'm responsible for reading the complaints when they first come in, and I've got to prioritize them. I only look at I look at the ones that are serious, that involve patient harm. Those are the ones I go talk to Dr. Smith about, and we talk about them and say, I think we need to look at this guy. And one of the gentlemen, one of the surgeons, I had more complaints on him than any other surgeon in the 5.5 years I'd been there. We had to look at him. I think we had, by the time I left, I think we had over 10 serious complaints against him.
I had to feel confident that whatever evidence that we obtained was clean and clear and objective, and we were not going to be faced with an insurmountable defense if we had to go to a hearing. And so I was going to have to treat all of these cases similarly.
And what was that based on? Did you get a legal opinion?
Absolutely.
On that
Yes.
from who?
From our general counsel's office and others within enforcement.
And so how many legal opinions did you get?
I don't recall exactly how many. We had several people in a number of those meetings.
And was it based on precedent and understanding of sort of the administrative code and due process?
Sure, and it's based also on a history with the agency. I don't know how much has been spent by the Attorney General's office and the agency in defending some of these actions.
An audit of the Enforcement Division by State Auditor's Office, Keel's outfit. So that is scheduled to come out fairly soon. They have already agreed, and Commissioner Bordelon has asked, agreed to do a follow-up audit directly on that process that the allegations have been out in the papers lately are about. They are going to go in and look at individual cases, how those worked. I can't tell you whether they're going to look at whether or not there was political influence, because that audit hasn't started yet. But that's where that examination of exactly what happened with those cases would take place.